Love and Glitter Designs, and I just want to show my process of how I cut my mesh and add it to a wreath base. All right, let's get started. This is a 10-inch by 10-yard roll of mesh. I've already used some of it, so this is a partial roll. And I like to use scissors with a longer blade. It makes cutting it a little easier. But these are really extra sharp, but here's my glue over a little bit. Okay, so I'm a no measurer, but I usually hold it to about right there, look at it, and it's like, okay, that's about right. Just cut. And as an example, this is about how long it is. 20. It's usually between 18 to 22 inches. And I'll just cut a few pieces and then just to get started, and then I'll cut some more if I need to. I usually start with about 6 of each color. Today I'm using purple with a border stripe. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple more pieces of this. And you know what? I'm not going to have enough of this probably. Oh, I don't know. I might. So I'm just going to use this whole row. But for now, I'm just going to cut. Now let's cut a couple more pieces. And yes, it does stick. Okay. And it does go everywhere. Sometimes it's good to have like a little basket nearby to catch them and keep them all in there. But okay, that's it for now. That's all I have enough room for. Then I'm going to use some black. All right. I already took the tag off. This was from At Home from Christmas. Doesn't have the dimensions, but it's like either a 14 or 16 inch. Yep, 14 inch to the widest part, and it's 2 layers, 2 rows, okay, inner and outer. This one was from the At Home store for $6.99, but I'm sure that's not what I paid for it. After Christmas is the best time to shop for these. You can get them on sale. All right, and I keep my price tags if it's something I'm going to sell, so that I keep track of what my cost is. I've already separated the twines. I kind of do this, kind of separate them. No rhyme or reason, just open them up. Okay. And start with whatever color you want to first. I'm going to start with the black. Okay. And you can put them like this. You can put them like that. Whichever. They don't have to be right next to each other. Just want to fill them up. Just kind of touching. I like to do is attach some ties from the top ring to the bottom ring, just kind of hold each other for extra security. Not necessary, but just something I like to do. Not everyone, nobody's got time for that. Just wherever here and there. So you have the top and bottom kind of extra secure to each other. All right, that's it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to elongate it. So I just push down on it. This is a strong one. Okay. I should have done this first. It's kind of elongated now, so I can do it a little bit more. All right, that's better. So in order okay, what the back looks like. In order to hold it secure that way, a zip tie and attach it to itself. Take a couple. Take a couple. Put it somewhere where it feels kind of secure. Kind of more towards the middle. You want these this part on the inside so it doesn't scratch on the outside. You want this to be nice and smooth. Okay. Don't want anything sharp on this side. Okay. There we go. That's how I do my base.